In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on eBay using ChatGPT. Whether you are new to selling online or looking to streamline your process, leveraging AI can significantly enhance your efficiency and ensure that your listings are as effective as possible. Now let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to head over to ChatGPT's website. You might be wondering, why start here? ChatGPT is an incredibly versatile tool that can assist you in crafting well-optimized eBay listings, saving you both time and effort. Once you're at chatgpt.com, you'll be greeted by the interface where you can begin to interact with this AI-powered assistant. Now let's think about the first thing you want ChatGPT to do for you. Consider what aspect of your listing you need help with. Perhaps start by typing in how you want ChatGPT to assist you with creating a listing. A good starting point could be, help me create a title for my eBay listing. This step is crucial because your title is one of the first things buyers will notice, so it's important that it captures the essence of your item effectively. Once you've typed in your request, go ahead and click the send icon to submit it to ChatGPT. This prompt will send your request off, and you'll quickly see how ChatGPT responds. It may ask for more information to give you the best possible title or listing details. This interaction is key, as the more specific you are about your item, such as its brand, model, or any unique attributes, the better ChatGPT can assist in crafting an attention-grabbing title. After receiving some suggestions from ChatGPT, it will likely follow up by asking for additional information to help flesh out your eBay listing further. Here's where you can enter more detailed specifics about your item. Think about details such as the condition of your item, its dimensions, any historical context, if applicable, or specific selling points that you know will attract buyers. Once all the relevant information has been entered, it's time to click the send icon again. ChatGPT will now generate most of the critical parts of your eBay listing. You'll get a detailed description, potential pricing options, and even suggestions on which category your item might best fit. With these elements in hand, all that's left is for you to go to the eBay website, log into your account, and begin creating your listing. Remember to add your photos or images. These are crucial for attracting attention. Simply copy the expertly crafted information from ChatGPT directly into your eBay listing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can quickly and effectively create a compelling eBay listing with the help of ChatGPT. This approach not only saves you time, but enhances your chances of making a sale by ensuring that your listing is both detailed and well optimized. Happy selling, and may your items find fantastic new homes.